Bought the WOTOW Bike Repair Toolkit because I wanted a reliable and compact solution for handling any bike issues on the go. As an avid cyclist, having the right tools readily available is crucial, especially during long rides where getting a flat tire or needing quick adjustments can happen unexpectedly. The kit has proven to be a lifesaver on multiple occasions. The mini bike pump works efficiently and the multi-tool covers a wide range of adjustments. The tire levers and patches are easy to use, making quick repairs hassle-free. And the waterproof frame bag is an added bonus, keeping everything dry and secure during rides. It has become an essential part of my cycling gear, providing peace of mind knowing I'm prepared for any minor issues that might come up during the ride.